Hello, hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. I'd like us to start off with the chart on my screen. So we normally don't look at this one, but I really want to look at it because it looks very good. We do have the possibility that the price may go our way. So we have a very good support at this price. We have a very good support within these two lines that I'm drawing currently. So you can see that it was used here as a resistance. The price broke above it, it came back, we had a support, we had a support, we had a support. There is this breakout. So as long as the price is held below these two lines, we expect the price to continue to move to the lower side, at least up to this level here. If that level is broken, then the next target is the one you have at the bottom, which is this one here. So basically we are going to look for a sell position. If the price pulls back and touches this line but does not break above it, we are going to look for a sell position. We are expecting the sellers to move price downwards up to the first target, which is 0.59323. The next target is this one, which is 0.59077. So my next chart, is Euro USD. So with Euro USD, so far we are within some shape. We are within a very good shape. We have this. And then you have another. So we have a resistance. We do expect the sellers to push price downwards up somewhere along this trend line here. If this trend line should be broken, then we expect the price to continue downwards up to the next target, which is this one here. So basically this is what we are looking at. We are looking at the possibility that the price may continue down up to this level. If this line is broken, then the next target is the one we have at the bottom, which is this one here. So my next chart is GBP USD. So with the GBP so far, this is a very good downtrend. You can see that the price has been bearish, just as we keep saying. There are no signs for selling, for buying as it is now. Instead, we are looking for sell positions. So we have that, and then we have another one, and then we have another shape here. I'm going to explain why these are important, because some people just look at these shapes like they're just drawings, but they're really useful. So we have that, and then you have another. So you can see from this point the price broke below this shape, it again broke below that shape, it again broke below that shape, and as we're speaking now, the price is below the previous day's lowest low, which is this one here. So technically we are still into a very good downtrend. We still do expect the sellers to continue to push price. So we'd like to see a retracement. We'd like to see the price pull back at least up to the previous day's lowest low, which is somewhere here. But we pick a sell position. Our stop loss, the best place is above the previous day's highest high, which is at this point. This is 1.17004. So we are into a sell, but only if the price pulls back and touches that point there. Our next instrument is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is bullish. We are in a very good downtrend. So you remember yesterday we had a very good resistance here. This was a very good resistance. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance. There is this break. So this is now a very good uptrend. We actually expect the buyers to continue to push price to the upper side. So just a second, let me draw a shape here. This looks like a very good rectangular formation. You can see it here. We had a resistance, we had a resistance, we had a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a break. So as we're speaking now, we expect the buyers to continue to push price upwards, at least up to this level here. So this is our target. 144.949. So if you're on this chart, you're supposed to keep looking for buy positions, expecting the buyers to push us upwards up to this target here, which is 144.949. My next chart is the Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, this is a very good uptrend. This is a very good uptrend. We do have a good resistance level there. And then another. Sorry. So I think the chart had not when I said when I drew this line. So my expectation was that the price was supposed to go up to this point here, but that has not happened. Instead, the price moved down, broke below this point, it pulled back, then continued downwards. So right now the price is headed towards this support here. So basically we'd like to see what happens. We'd like to see what happens, especially around this line here. We expect the price to come down up to this point, touch this level. We don't expect it to break below it, but if that happens, it's going to continue downwards. But as it is now, this should give us the best place to look for a buy from. We are expecting the buyers to push us back upwards, at least up to this level. So expect the sellers to continue to push price downwards up to this point here. My next instrument is gold. So with gold so far, it looks like the price is headed for sell. We have a very good support here. That is why we are waiting for price around. This is a very good support. It acted as a very good turnaround point. So if you put level, you pick this as the swing high, then you pick this as the swing low, you can see that the price actually pulled back around 23.6% fib level. It tried going up to 38, it could not go up to that point. So this is a sign that the price may likely be still into a sell, which means this level here may likely be broken, and if that happens, then we'll still expect more movement. But as it is now, this is the best place to watch for price around. This is 1694.93. If the price descends below it, then we do expect a continuation to the lower side. So my next chart is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we are into a sell. We are into a very good sell. We are into a very good sell. We do expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to 36.85.7, which is this level here. So the price will continue down, come up to this point here, where we do expect the buyers to come in. If that does not happen, then we may still see the price continue upwards up to somewhere around this area where it should break beyond. So I'm not going to say much on this chart because we did expect the price to go up, but that does not happen. Instead, the price closed as a sell, which means we may see more sellers come in at least up to this point here. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at time. Thank you and see you.